Hey everybody, Kate here from With You With Me and the Veteran Success Team. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time today to explain to you the book a call function and how it all works. Basically, to book a call, there are two ways to do it. There'll be a link in the SIG block of all of the emails that the Veteran Success Executives send out to you, as well as the book a call page. For today, I'm just going to show you where the book a call page is and how to do it, as well as maybe explain to you some benefits along the way. So to book a call with one of the Veteran Success Executives or myself, for example, simply head to the With You With Me People platform. You can see it's loaded on your screen currently. This is the newsfeed. You'll come into this as you log into the platform. From there, on the left-hand side, you'll see Community, second from the bottom, and there's a little arrow next to Community. Click on the arrow, and you can see there's a number of things that drop down underneath it. We're looking for Book a Call, which is the second from the top. Click on Book a Call. And this takes you to the Career Advice Rally Point page. This is where your very own career coach is sitting. You can also see there's a bunch of different informational type articles here along the side. I'll just move my face out of the way for you. Based off of challenges, boot camps, as well as any kind of career or HR advice. You've got cyber, robotics, data, information there as well. For the purposes of today, we are just going to focus on the book a call page, which is what you are currently looking at. You can see there on the left-hand side at the top, this is me. My name is Kate. Will, Rebecca, our head of Veteran Success, Adam Stretch, my US counterpart, and Luke Ricks, our CFO and co-founder. If you scroll down the page, you'll be able to see a little bit of a video on myself, why I chose to work it with you with me, and kind of what I'm doing here, if you will, as well as a bit of a spiel about what I do, my areas of expertise and specialization. To schedule a call with myself or one of the other Veteran Success Executives, you can click on their link underneath their little spiel, as well as watch their video if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the team. For the purposes of today, I'm just going to use my own link just so that I can show you what it looks like. So click on the button and you will be redirected to a new page. The first thing to look at when you come onto this page is how long you need. So you've got your time here, your date, as well as the times underneath it. So for the purposes of this, we're just going to go with 15 minutes. Next thing to check for all of you North Americans listening to this is your time zone. Are you selecting a book a call link from someone in Australia? If so, make sure your time zone is set to you. So once you're happy with what time works for you, now we look at the times available in the day. For me, I'm just going to go 9 a.m. on Thursday, click the time you're interested in, and you will be redirected to the confirmation page. Basically, on this page, we collect some information from you. So we'll ask you for your name, full name, as well as your email address. The most important question on here is the what would you like to discuss question. This basically gives the career coach a really good understanding of exactly what it is that you're after from us, allows us to prepare in advance and make sure that the information we're giving you is relevant and pertinent to what you're trying to achieve. In this case, I'm going to say testing just because I want to. And then the next question is current serving, veteran, or immediate family member. Now, the reason this question is important is current serving members looking to discharge are going to receive a number of different advice snippets as opposed to a veteran or an immediate family member. We like to tailor the advice we give you to the individual based off of your experience and what it is that you're trying to achieve. So in this case, I'm going to say spouse. The next most important question here is Google Hangouts or Zoom. Now, the career coaches that with you with me prefer to do the first interaction at least and those afterwards over video call. There's a couple of reasons for this. The first being we actually really want to show you what the platform looks like. We want to show you the functionality of it. We want to show you where everything is. We want to give you that personalized user experience so that we know that when we kind of thrust you off into the world of with you, with me, you've got the background to really understand it. The other part of it actually comes from COVID-19. We're seeing a massive shift towards online video calls for job interviews now. So it'd be way better for you to, stuff up a microphone or an audio issue or a camera issue with us than it would be a potential employer. So getting you comfortable with setting those kinds of features up is super relevant and useful for you in this ever-changing market. In my case, I'm going to select Zoom just because that's the first one that came to mind. It's whatever your preference is. From there, we scroll down to the phone number section or the how did you find out about us. Now, phone numbers don't need to be filled in if you're happy with a video call. It's also a great way if you're a little skeptical about what With You With Me actually does, not having to give personal information. We're totally fine with that. How did you find out about us is important to us because it helps us understand where you're coming from. Were you referred to from a friend, or was it a piece of marketing that you saw that brought you to us? So in my case, it was a friend. Once you've filled all this information in, it's as simple as hitting confirm. From there, you'll receive this screen. Now, what's going to happen after that is you're going to receive 2 emails. Now it's just time to wait for your career advisor to give you a bit of a call. If you have any questions in the meantime, you can always hit up pathfinders@withyouwithme.com. We're always available to help in any way we can. Alternatively, there is obviously links in the SIG block of all of the Veteran Success executives, and we're always around if you've got any questions. We also encourage you to jump on the Discord channel if you're wanting to speak directly to course instructors about any kind of course issues, and you can find the links for those in the FAQ page. It's been a pleasure. I hope this has given you a bit more light into what it is that With You With Me does and how to book a call with us so that we can help you on your journey. Looking forward to speaking to you soon.